Okay guys, so today we're going to be making another refreshing, hydrating drink, okay? This time we're going to be using watermelon and banana to make our drink, among other things, okay? So let's get started. We're going to cut up, I have a slice of watermelon here. We're going to cut this up and we're going to, no, I already put my banana in the blender, as you can see here, right? So we have our banana in the blender. We're now going to put our watermelon in. This will help keep us nice and hydrated with dealing with the heat that we have to deal with, right? Right. So we have our watermelon in. Actually, no, I need this cutting board because we're also going to be putting some lime, a half of a lime. So let me just cut this. Just going to use 1/2. Okay, so let us squeeze now a half of a lime. Oh dear, I gotta fish out 2 seeds got in. Let me get a spoon so I can fish that out. We don't want those seeds in there. All right, come, don't fall back in, don't fall back in. There you go. All right, so now what we're going to do is add some coconut water to this. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. So we're getting the sweetness from the banana. We're not adding any extra sugar to this. We're going to use the banana to give us the sweetness. I need to get the cover for my blender. All right, so now we have to give this a buzz. Okay guys, so now it's time to pour out our drink so that we can enjoy a nice watermelon and banana drink. I hope you enjoyed this idea. Be sure to give it a try. It will help to keep you nice and hydrated. Remember, because of adding the coconut water, you'll be putting back electrolytes into your body, which you would have lost because of your perspiration. So this is a really nice, cool, refreshing, hydrating drink. Okay guys, so we're going to have a taste of our refreshing watermelon and banana drink. That was good. We got some sweetness from the banana, and of course we getting the hydration from the watermelon and the coconut water. So be sure to give this a try.